You speak so soft, it feels unreal, like summer rain I used to feel. You say my name, it fades in tune. I still remember nights with you. Every word feels halfway gone. I breathe you out but hold you on. Tell me why I stay when the love's already gone its way. I smile, pretend I'm fine, but you're the ghost behind my line. Tell me why I stay when I can't seem to walk away. I lie and say I'm through, but all my truths are still with you. The light turns blue across your face and makes the quiet feel like grace. We talk of plans, we talk of rain, but never what we lost again. Every laugh's a borrowed sound. I'm here with you, but breaking down. Tell me why I stay when the love's already gone its way. I smile, pretend I'm fine, but you're the ghost behind my line. Tell me why I stay when I can't seem to walk away. I lie and say I'm through, but all my truths are still with you. If loving you was my mistake, then I don't need the steps I take. I'd fall again, I always do. I'd die a little close to you. Step in the room, the lights turn gold. Everybody's moving like they're bought and sold. She's got a look that cuts the air, and I just stand pretending I don't care. But she moves like she owns the sound. I feel my guard come falling down. It's that city fever burning slow, got me chasing what I should know. She's danger, dressed in velvet tone. I play it cool, but I'm already gone. Ooh, her lips a spark, her glance a crime. She bends the rules, I lose my line. No promise made, no heart to keep, just rhythm running way too deep. She says my name like it's a dare, and I forget why I'm even there. It's that city fever burning slow, got me chasing what I should know. She's danger, dressed in velvet tone. I play it cool, but I'm already gone. But I'm already gone. Every step a trap I moon is quiet, the world's asleep. My heart still hums a song so deep. The city fades to silver gray, and I just breathe the night away. The wind remembers what I've lost. It hums a tune for what it cost. But every ache begins to fade when morning dreams are softly made. And the night will understand what the daylight never can. Every tear and every plan just floating through my trembling hands. The stars don't ask the reason why. They shine and fall, they live, they die. And somehow that feels right tonight, just be small beneath the light. And the night will understand what the daylight never can. Every scar and every chance will heal beneath this quiet land. So I'll close my eyes, just let it be. The moonlight hums a song for me. Tomorrow waits, but not too loud. I'll find my peace beneath this cloud. Snow on the ground, lights in the trees, laughter is rolling through the breeze. Your voice feels like a melody that warms the cold inside of me. No need for gifts, no fancy things, just this rhythm my heartbeat brings. Oh, here the world slows down. Your smile's the sound of peace I found. All here, nothing more I need, just this love right here with me. the train, the night feels thin. Your name repeats but not within. A song you like plays somewhere near. I change the track, you disappear. I'm fine, or close enough. The city hum, that's good enough. I don't rewind, I don't pretend. It's just the start, or maybe the end. No heavy heart, no bitter wine. Just empty seats and borrowed time. We said too much then, nothing more. Love fades like sound behind a door. I'm fine, or close enough. The city hums, that's good enough. If someone asks what we became, I'll say I don't remember your name. Late coffee, silver light, mirror eyes, my quiet night. No messages, no plans to make, just me and this song I play. I move slow, I move clean, in the space between routine. Every breath electric still. I'm alone but it feels real. It's an electric Sunday, I'm humming to my own way. No one to call, no one to blame. Still I'm burning in my name. It's electric Sunday, soft chaos in a calm way. Heartbeat under neon rain. I feel alive again. My record spins a gentle lie. The world outside just passes by. I dance with air, a cigarette glow. It's quiet, but it feels like flow. The city sleeps, but I don't fade. My shadow hums to songs I made. Maybe love's a rhythm mix, but freedom feels like this. It's electric Sunday, I'm humming to my own way. No one to call, no one to blame. Still I'm burning in my name. It's electric Sunday, soft chaos in a calm way. Heartbeat under neon rain. I feel alive again. In the silence, I rewind every step, a different kind. I don't need you, I just need time. And this pulse, it's mine. It's electric Sunday. Yeah, I'm alive. It's electric Sunday. Electric Sunday. I'm alive in my own time. You left your sweater, I wore it out. to be free. I walk past glass and neon signs, pretending it's the first of times. So I buy another shade of red, like the color you left in my head. Every dress I try feels like your name, but I smile, it's part of the game. Perfume aisles and second thoughts. Some things heal, some things do not. I hum to songs we used to play and turn the pain into display. The streets still whisper what we were, but I don't stop, I blur the blur. So I buy another shade of red, like the color you left in my head. Every dress I try feels like your name, but I smile, it's part of the game. It's not about forgetting you, it's just something that I do. A way to feel, a way to hide, to prove I'm fine on this side. So I buy another shade of red till your voice is gone instead. Every step I take feels less insane, and I smile, it's part of the game. She walks in till her eyes on fire. Every step a quiet wire. You think she's smiling just for you, but she's already halfway through. Sugar voice, but her game is still you. Chase the spark, forget what's real. She's got that velvet bite, soft in the dark, sharp in the light. You think you've got a heart tonight, but she's gone by morning flight. Velvet bite, sweet disguise. Don't look too deep into her eyes. She moves like rhythm on delay. You lose your words, she fades away. You call it love, she calls it sport. She'll write your name, then cut it short. Oh, sweet perfume, it fills your head. You fall again, she smiles instead. She's got that velvet bite, soft in the dark, sharp in the light. You think you've got a heart tonight, but she's gone by morning flight. Velvet bite, sweet disguise. Don't look too deep into her eyes. You think she's real, but she's the game. You're just a candle in her flame. She burns in style, leaves no ash. You'll never see her twice that fast. She's got that, yeah. Oh, yeah. Got a heart. Oh, but she owns the night. Velvet. Bye. 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 I left before the lights went out. The room was tired like us somehow. Your glass was full, I didn't care. It's strange how quiet stays in air. I take the train, the night feels thin. Your name repeats but not within. A song you like plays somewhere near. I change the track, you disappear. I'm fine, or close enough. The city hums, that's good enough. I don't rewind, I don't pretend. It's just the start, or maybe the end. No heavy heart, no bitter wine, just empty seats and borrowed time. We said too much, then nothing more. Love fades like sound behind a door. I'm fine, or close enough. The city hums, that's good enough. If someone asked what we became, I'll say I don't remember your name. Your coat still hanging by the door. I don't reach for it anymore. The coffee's cold, the morning's gray, but your shadow still knows my name. And I laugh like nothing's wrong, but every silence hums your song. I still see someone I remember in the light between December. Every face a gentle blur, but none of them were ever hurt. I still see someone I remember, though the time won't last forever. If it fades, I won't surrender to someone I remember. The clock keeps time, but not with me. Your echo plays in minor key. The mirror shows a quieter man, still trying to hold what I still see someone I remember in the light between December. Every face a gentle blur, but none of them were ever her. I still see someone I remember, though the time won't last forever. If it fades, I won't surrender to someone I remember. Maybe love's just what remains after all the joy and pain. And if I dream, then let me be somewhere near where you used to breathe. I still see someone I remember in the quiet after thunder. Every sound turns into her. And I still see someone I remember. Sky was kind, it smiled on me. The wind was soft like melody. I didn't plan, I didn't stay, I just walked and found my way. No reason why, no need to hide. Just me and the streets on my side. I just walked today, no words to say. The world felt light, the air felt brave. I let my thoughts just drift away. I just walked today, and somehow that was okay. The clouds were slow, though the light was thin. The city hummed a gentle hymn. A child was laughing down the street. It felt like peace beneath my feet. No sound too loud, no way to bed. Just quiet moments everywhere. I just walked today, no words to say. The world felt light, the air felt brave. I let my thoughts just drift away. I just walked today, no words to say. The world felt light, the air felt brave. I let my thoughts just drift away. I just walked today. Maybe I don't need a chase every dream that runs away. Maybe calm is what awaits when I stop and breathe this way. I just walked today, no need to pray. The world felt right in its own way. I smiled at time that wouldn't stay. I just walked today.